fans, and I daisy chained them. And at the back side, there's a lot of cable management I need to do. Power supply's been installed, and RGB hub. Now what's left is the GPU. Alright, testing the system. Still have that mess to fix, but it's on. Just seeing if everything works. So fans, LED is working, and temperatures are looking good. Still need to see how it performs at gaming, but 40C is not bad since I'm running this normal cooler. All right, final product here. Look around the case. Cable management done. Not as great as wanting, but I don't care.